Hi everyone, this is Aurora of Dawn to Dust Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be decorating Tealight candles, and we're going to be using my favorite product, which is glitter. As you can see, we're going to use a paintbrush, tacky glue, and candle holders. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is grab some tacky glue and squeeze and smear with a brush all of the glue, just like so. Okay, once you're finished, you want to grab your glitter and then just sprinkle it. And it's okay if it lands on your table. Just add a generous amount and then squeeze down so that you know it really sticks. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, remember to give it a thumbs up, and also I will be linking all my social media platforms down below so you can follow me. And I wanted to share what is the Spanish word of the day, which is going to be 4 de Julio, which means 4th of July. Now repeat with me, 4 de Julio. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So for this DIY, I'm going to tell you what not to do when you decorate these candles with glitter. As you can see in this one, I added too much glitter. And the glitter was catching on fire. On this one, it turned brown because there was too much right next to the wick. And this other one, same thing. The glitter started to catch on fire. So what you want to do instead is, after you add the glitter and it dries up, you want to cut out some of that glitter a little bit around the wick so that it looks like that. And that'll make it easy for the wick to light up, and then also your glitter will not catch on fire and turn black like it did on that one. So I hope these little tips and tricks help you when you create your own. This is the first time I do this, so this is a trial and error, and I actually learned a lot. So next time I'm gonna do that, or maybe just use fine glitter. So again, if you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.